Conversation 1.
I love this break room. It's a great place to work.
Yes, it's a nice environment to relax and clear your head.
I love the view, too. It's a nice distraction to break the tension of work.
I wish the whole office was like this, really.
I wouldn't go that far. I still like the privacy of my own office.
Well, I don't need an office to be productive. I can work from anywhere.
Not me. I need a room to be by myself sometimes.
Yeah, I think most people feel the same way.
Conversation 2.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to get something for my wife for her birthday.
All right, what did you have in mind?
She said she wants a dress to wear for social occasions.
Well, what about this one? It's a nice dress to wear for all occasions.
I think this would look good on her. I guess this will do.
Would you like these shoes and this bag to go with it?
No, thanks. Just the dress will do. Do you have a box to wrap it in?
We do. Let me take care of you at the register.
Conversation 3.
Hello. Can I ask you some questions about this computer?
Sure, I'd be glad to help.
Does it have a webcam to hold online meetings?
No, it doesn't, but it has a slot to connect to a camera.
Okay. Does it have a good graphics card to play video games?
Not this model, but we have another computer that does. It also has a webcam.
Great. Can I see it?
Yes, it's right over here.
Conversation 4.
I love your new car. It's much nicer than your last one.
Thanks. I needed a new one to do my job.
I see it has a navigation system.
Yes, it's very useful. I need it to help me find locations around town. My clients are scattered all over the city.
Was it expensive? It looks like it cost a lot.
It was. I needed a loan to pay for it, but since I work in sales, it was worth the money.
Well, as they say, it takes money to make money.
That is the truth. You can't argue with that.